Some decisions move you forward. The right home does exactly that. Hurry up now. Smart homes made simple. Hurry up.
Hi guys! Narito tayo sa Mawing Residences sa Porac, Pampanga. And today, titingnan natin yung 3 model units nila. So this one is called Julieta. So you have a parking space here. I think you can fit two cars or even 3 cars. Parang double parking. And then ito yung nila, service area. You can do an extension of your kitchen, laundry. Okay. So yeah. So maraming under construction na mga units. There is a provision here for basic landscaping. Ano pang balcony sa taas, oh. Okay. Tingnan natin sa loob. Wow. So this is your living area. Para siyang naka ano siya. Merong separation between the living and the dining and kitchen. So this must be your dining area and kitchen. Nice, and then there's a toilet and bath. Maganda. And then tingnan natin sa taas. So all the rooms are upstairs. There are 3 bedrooms, and so ito yung first room. And what's so nice is you have access to the balcony here, from here. Yeah, maganda siya. You can put your TV here. Bedroom 2. This is bedroom 3. And common toilet and bath with a shower door. Ito na siya. Lavatory. Okay. So what I like about Mawing is that mayroon silang freebies, guys, which you don't find anywhere else, any developer all over Pampanga or anywhere in Central Luzon. Your unit will come out with or as fully furnished. So I will list down all the list of furnishings that will be included in the unit. So it's a freebie, it's a bonus, so it's not actually included in the actual construction cost, but they're giving it to you guys as a freebie, as a bonus. Okay, so this is the best offer that you can find in this area. Wala ka nang mahanap na iba pang ganitong offer. Okay, so fully furnished ang unit ninyo. Okay.